Me and I talk about the Corolla them dog and the wickedest thing they ever built dog from China, brother. Yes, brother, me said, yo, I want you. Most of them on the road right now and we are running up and down that day.
Corolla.
So me don't know you to wish them bother. You see how
Me don't know them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
What in a year?
Man, I got chips coming back.
$1 million to find daddy.
So me a try some wanted.
You want it? You better
So
try
me
your
them
best.
stand that back that day. Me no understand. I'm going to stand that back now.
So you don't want it dead man? The government will look for you. $1 million. Oh, son, skirt. Come like we have to turn in the scandal here. Where the bag you come from? Ah, daddy. Why they have to that? Go to see
KIlla Milla.
anything we touch done good.
Oh.
Hurt my heart, can't hurt my soul. Go for them out, nigga.
Everything
Yeah.
is done good.
Yeah, potential elder, not kid. Potential elder. Potential.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, dog.
Yo, the man they make it a China dog, yo.
Yeah.
The virus a mash up the place, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, dog.
Yeah.
Yo, what
Me and I talk about the Corolla them dog and the wickedest thing they ever built dog from China, brother. Yes, brother, me said, yo, I want you. Most of them on the road right now and we are running up and down that day.
Corolla.
So me don't know you to wish them bother. You see how the Honda fit them and
Daddy. Coronavirus, they make a China, daddy.
Oh, pizza grabber now. Oh, so the time, we never.
Yeah. So I get this.
So when they tell me the people them say they run from Corolla. A Corolla
never run from a Corolla.
You see how the Corolla have been just run from out here so too. I
forgot
to YouTube. I'm gonna check out. Are YouTube them or your Instagram page?
So tell them who find them, man.
Monster Boss, my YouTube man. Can't miss. MONSTA. Monster Boss.
Trouble. So,
Yeah.
are you sing the song? Man,
No, we will dance.
Yeah, I build the dance, then the song build. Song build by Big Wayne.
Big win from Twins or Twins?
No.
No man, around here, there was two Big Wayne them come here to twins that's the other one. Stay in him name. Stay in the right name.
Still gamble man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But general still man, but they don't know anything. They side.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
right. Alright, come in and we could get this cracking. Yeah, don't have that part.
I don't I'm sitting with someone like that.
Yeah. Trouble. Hey, you see dance?
Yeah man.
I see that dance?
Yeah, man.
See dance it?
Go on Instagram now and check him out too.
Hey,
You see
man.
whole heap of people, school, everybody are doing it. Monster!
Don't play that.
No music!
No music. Monster. These are the big dancers for the year.
You know what you got here?
The song out for you too, you know.
Yeah.
To the monster.
What do people are doing, man?
Yeah.
To the monster. You can't hear it already on
So
it.
for you to them can find it.
Yeah.
Yeah man.
Do
Let
the
them wait there, no dog. Yeah, brother, me I tell you, say star, some man come like them scumming now. This one brother come say him want chips. And boy, me I tell you, me don't know what. Yes man. Alright, here they don't say Tony Braxton favor a monkey. Look on the scene. That's how I'm bad, man.
Is that Jason?
Up and running.
Good
Oh,
lad.
style. Can't trick with you. Half can't fit me, you know. Yes,
Can I see brush off on him now, you know? Brush off on him now, you know? You know.
Can't fit me. Can't trick me. They can't fit me. Can't fit me.
He catch you, man. He catch you. You find it.
I'll get use that.
Yeah.
Can't trick me in 5.5.
Who you man? That jokes. Who find the boy?
Right, you have it, man. You have it. See that brush up.
Who find the boy?
Right, you have it, man. You have it. See that brush off on you. That brush off on your Jesus, you can see it, man. Good brush off on your Jesus, don't joke.
There's a good vibe.
It's a good life. God, Jesus.
I could have one of them video there. Where is the Jesus? Should be talking to one of them video there.
Yes, sir.
I make them know.
Yeah. Yeah, straight.
Can't trick them.
Six and a half this thing. 5.5. Still can't fit me. Still look like a trick me.
A big foot thing. Punchline.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that KIlla Acoustics that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.